Hey, so, this one is a 2024 as the digital hands next time, TCL, City Fan, is starting, and Jose Essen, and Jose Essen, Kiki, is my Jose Essen. So, let's go. So, I'm sorry, today, the last two years, another great night, USA, great night, Tuesday, what am I say? Sydney doesn't like Harris anymore, hello? Because, nobody else has this one. I guess the second one. Second one. Jesse May. This one is this one and the other one goes to the other one goes to the other one goes to this goes to this one and second one is Jesse Hay. Jesse Hay knows us, man. And that's it. That's it. I'll say it, Sydney. Is it like that? Anyway, this is it. There we go. Here goes the light. All three of those are working fine. Hello. Yes. So that's just it. That's again, Jose, Sydney. Okay. Let's just our last statement light on and light off. Now he goes, damn. Mm-hmm. Well, your mom's got, look at you. Your mom's got you. Your mom is got you. Your mom got you. Your mom did. That's good. You thought how did you do? That's gonna ask. Dad, can someone say to Dad, can someone well, I guess I thought Nick. Thanks, Dad. We can go. We can go. Okay. You go here with the light. And that's right. Now time to. Okay, that's the end. What do you say? No, he goes high. Oh no! Oh, golly! Oh no! Golly! I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll get back. Ouch. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Where'd I go? No, after. Let's do this. Okay, this starts with the height. Okay, it goes high with the light. Okay, it goes high with the light. It goes high with the light. Alright, that's it. You know, thank you for that. That's it. That's it. You want to, say, that's it. That's it, okay? Yes. Where is the other things? Yes. Where is my... That's right. You got it. Easy. No. Okay, right. So
this is a 52-inch golden ceiling fan. And for those who've been watching my channel for a while, you might...
So, hey, I'm gonna, this is
52-inch.
This is HD right here. This is 2024 HD we like it now. Okay.
Walden ceiling fan.
Like it, but like a bird. Like I think it has 100 degrees TCM. It's a song and seduction. It's a song and seduction, man. That's what it's 100 degrees TCM. It's a song and seduction, man.
And for those who've been watching my channel, you might recognize this fan. I am in my nephew's old house down the road from me. My brother's old house. Right down the road from me. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, I did videos of all their fans about 5 years ago before they moved away. And some people...
That's 5 years ago. I graduated.
Audit, and we've come here to take out some old light fixtures and in various places, and we also had to fix a couple of the fans here, but I'll be getting to those later. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing remake videos of all the fans in my nephew's old house.
Because the two big stars, ones, another one was on the left side. It's the two big stars is fast. It's very, very fast. Long one is fast too. All the toys is fast. Both of them. The toys is fast. It goes fast one too. So, watching washer and dryer.
Go pink because I thought I would never see these fans again. They mean quite a bit to me. They're pretty good. They're pretty big childhood fans of mine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, here goes the light.
The old videos I did of these fans were on.
Okay.
I mean, quite a bit.
Okay, here goes the light.
Big childhood fans of mine, so.
Yeah,
oh, what? Get started.
It's fast. We're not gonna take this down. Otherwise, we're not gonna take this down either. Another one. Another one. We're not gonna take it down, so we can sign. So that's your last string. And there we go. So now. Alright, here goes the light.
The old videos I did of these fans were on.
The light's working inside the glove. The glove's working. The body's working fine inside the glove.
The old videos I did of these fans were on.
Oops.
Yeah,
this video is so awkward.
The old.
Okay.
Videos I did of these fans were on.
Okay.
You guys remember they were on my one of my parents' old Android phones.
There's a train.
You know the quality of those things, they weren't that good. So doing remake videos of these fans is probably a good idea. And you guys can see all of them and what they look like now.
Look like now. So it's first against still, but that's okay.
They're all the same. None of them have changed. A couple of them were having problems though, but like I said, I'm getting to those later.
Plus 012. The team. That's next. That's next. Yeah. No.
I can feel a little breeze from it on low.
Sections. Because my mom said sections house, sections perfect.
Pretty aesthetic.
Okay.
I can feel a little breeze from it on low.
It goes low with the light.
Pretty aesthetic.
Okay, let's see.
Makes makes a little buzzing noise. I don't think I remember doing that.
I got you all day. It doesn't have no that's either. No, that's working fine. It's bad.
Good medium speed.
Okay, that's the end. Medium speed with the light off. He goes medium with the light. Yeah, Mom said that it is. Oh, yeah.
Good medium speed.
Alright, this here, medium speed. It goes high. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Here's high.
There we go. It's high.
It's a slight wobble to it. The humming noise gets drowned out by the blades.
This time is
Pretty good air mover.
press E. Go in. Change. My way. Sorry. He's okay.
Good medium speed. Here's high.
That's it. And high.
It's a slight wobble to it, and the humming noise gets drowned out by the blades.
That's not. It's so hard. How hard is it working right? I'm mistake.
Pretty good air mover.
And 013. That's it. 012.
To my knowledge, this came out when Hunter just started going cheap on their fans.
It goes high with the light.
No, it's still not a bad fan, though. This is when they started that 5-minute thing where their blades hook up a different way, which I'm not a fan of.
Okay, that's it.
Mentioned that in the past, but
okay.
All right, that's it.
Okay, that's it. I got one more thing. This is the end of this. Thank you, guys. 100 days. 100 days. 50 hours. After running. It's probably 6 years long.
So,
Okay,
this is another 50-turn Hunter Walden ceiling fan in my nephew's old house in the master bedroom. This is the brushed nickel one.
It's a 2 inch. It's a 2 inch. It's a 2025. It's the next thing go. After 2 inch. TCL, 100 degrees, TCL plus nickel. So that's the...
So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Demonstration. In my...
And to start and work on them. Yes, okay.
This old house in the master bedroom. This is the brushed nickel one. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Demonstration. There's the light.
That's the light. That's the light. It starts working. And it's broken too.
Quit working for some reason. So, one thing that's changed about this fan since I last saw it.
That's right. Like, there's two switches. And it's a switch fan, only has one switch.
But, not like you really need it anyway. You can just turn it off by the switch.
This is. He's slow. He's low. He's low.
The blades go really good with the beam. Here it's like, just matches perfectly.
Hello. Yes. Yes. Yes again. I think that's it. Okay, that's it. Here we go. That's it. Where's his? Where's
The vents on the fan always reminded me of pizza slices. Kind of do look like that. Okay.
Okay, let's see how it goes thing. Where's the levels? Nice to...
Okay.
Okay, so... Where's this low?
The vents on the fan always reminded me of pizza slices. Kind of do look like that. The vents on the fan always reminded me of pizza slices.
Pizza, that's right. Excuse me.
Kind of do look like that.
Okay, that's the end. Last thing.
Okay.
This
I
thing.
have a humming noise, but it'll probably get drowned out by the blade noise as well. It's not as loud as the living room fan, too. Get another angle of it on this side.
That's okay.
Yes, I'm happy to see these fans again. Glad they're all, still here.
Here you go.
It's kind of a ticking noise. I don't think I remember it doing that either. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
And here's high.
Here's menu for the light.
It's kind of a ticking noise. I don't think I remember it doing that either.
Okay.
And here's high.
And he's high. He's high. He's gone. There we go. It's just like...
Okay, I'll take back what I said about it being quieter than the living room fan.
It's just... Yeah, that's
It's a pretty noticeable buzzing noise.
It's just like this. Have to go to the credit.
I don't think it's used on high very often, so it's probably not a big deal. Oh,
Okay.
that's right, the light.
That's working.
Switch.
Oh. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay. There we go. All right, that's it, everybody. That's all.
Video.
3 things, 3 things. That's it.
This fan.
I'll see you next video.
If you enjoyed, like and subscribe and stay tuned for the rest.